Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to look into a T.E.N.S and E.M.S device. This is very much for pain relief through electric pulses, different types of pulses and duration and intensity, and the pain goes away. That's the claim. So I've got this during the Amazon Black Friday, and I'm just opening that today to make it a little easier. I already cut the plastic on the back, so taking the plastic out, and let's now open the device. First thing I can feel is a very tiny device. I had previous T.E.N.S devices before, and definitely they were bigger than this. So very light, very tiny, nice LCD screen. Not sure how to power it up yet, but we're gonna check it. So this is the device itself. Again, very tiny and thin and light. Now, dear customer thing that shows up over here, right? Some barcode for more information, and let's check the package itself. There is user's guide. Very, again, not much, but probably enough to understand how to use the device. Let's see if there is any graphs on, yeah, certain settings and ways of doing this on the foot, on the hip, and so forth. A carrying bag. The first T.E.N.S device I got actually came with a hard case, you know, much different than this one, but again, this is, I guess, the way things are coming from the manufacturers today. And some of the large pads, those are electric pads. They need gel. They come with the gel, I believe, underneath. You can just glue in your body and connect those little wires to the device itself. What's this? A carrying / hanging strap. It's a long one, as you can see. Okay. Contacts. Probably this goes to this one, and the two devices here go to the device itself. I mean the wires, and this goes to the probes or the pads over there. It's a 4-channel, so we got 2 of those, right? 2 and 2. A USB charger cable, so it's a micro USB cable. Some of the smaller electrodes or pads, some of the medium size, and more medium size. Those can be replaced for sure. They don't last forever, so you need to consider the replacement cost for this thing. But the heart of the system is here. Again, very small. Let's see if there is any residual power left here. Yeah, there is a. Let's see if I can turn it on. Nope. Oh yeah. Let's see. It's difficult to see with the light, but it's a touchscreen device. It came fully charged, and there is a backlight, as you could see when I hit something here. Yeah, and you can select the type of electrodes you are using, and channel A, channel B, if you're going to do both at the same time or just a single one. Again, it seems to be very interesting. There are several levels and preset pulses and types of pulses to different types of symptoms you might have. So hopefully this is something that might be worth. Thanks so much. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to press the little bell and be notified for new videos. So that's the unboxing of the new BRILNURSE nerve muscle stimulator, which actually is a, like I said, a T.E.N.S device and also a E.M.S device. Thanks again. Come back again. Thanks for looking into this video, and happy New Year and happy holidays. Thank you.